Shiba Inu is starting to pump again. The crypto markets are recovering. Are we going to see Shiba Inu bounce to some crazy heights? We've even seen someone have a prediction for Shiba Inu to hit $1 in the near future. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive into Shiba Inu. Overall, markets are starting to correct itself again, and we're anticipating to see a crazy meme coin market and a crazy meme coin rush. We see Shiba Inu up 3% on the week, almost 3% on the day as well. Again, at a $8.2 billion market cap, and very slowly but surely looking like it's going to beat the race and take over Doge and become the #1 meme coin. All my Shib army members know how much bullish I am on Shiba Inu, and it goes to show as some nice steps are coming in place that are going to show a recovery. Fear and greed is at a 45, slowly creeping back towards greed. Bitcoin at 61. El Salvador launches a Bitcoin certification for civil servants. So massive pumps coming in the market, and once the altcoin pumps, you can only imagine the meme coins will follow, especially the top meme coins in the space, which happen to be Shiba Inu at #2, which could very well hold the #1 spot in the future. We can see in the crypto bubbles, Shiba Inu being one of the bigger bubbles in terms of green. We go over to the price, guys. On the day, we're up 3%. On the month, we're still down a whopping 19.84%, which again goes for a great buying opportunity as we are pretty bullish. There's a massive price prediction. Shiba Inu price target for the coin will Shiba Inu reach 0.001 cent. And there's a whole article going about why it could and the forecast for the project. Again, I'm very bullish, especially long term. We will definitely see Shiba Inu hit 1 cent. I think it'll be just like Dogecoin, a sleeper for some years, and maybe next bull run, if not next, the following, we definitely see a 1 cent Shiba Inu. At this current price, anybody who enters a decent bag could really become a Shiba Inu millionaire. Shiba Inu, again, is just so much more than a meme coin. An entire community, an entire ecosystem, over 3.8 million followers on social media as well, and growing pretty fast. A massive recap from the massive year it's had. We see minting the 38th edition of its cover, which is pretty awesome as well. We see Toronto, the CN Tower, as they're in Toronto very recently, celebrating Shibarium turning 1, a massive milestone. In August 2023, we launched Shibarium, turning Satoshi's vision into reality, and over 417 million transactions later, Shibarium has become a cornerstone of our ecosystem. It's a massive achievement, and when they continue to do massive moves like this, we only anticipate it's going to get bigger and bigger and become in public's favor. Now, if you love Shiba Inu, guys, I want to take a second to highlight this pre-sale gem that's going absolutely crazy, and it's ending very soon. In 4 days, Play Doge goes live. Buy now is your last chance. They've already raised $6.1 million. What is Play Doge? It's a Dogecoin meme token combining a unique utility, which is play to earn, plus cherry on top, it has staking as well. Play Doge is the ultimate play to earn mobile game that brings the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet, or brings Dogecoin meme to a life of a style of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. You're gonna play this game, a play to earn concept, especially buying it early, guys. We know how popular play to earn can be, and if this continues to rally up, this could be a very, very big project this current bull run, and it's going live in less than 4 days, or just over 4 days. So you definitely want to load up a bag before it's too late, as I'm very bullish on the project. But back to Shiba Inu and back to the old crypto world. Again, talking big about crypto, right? Breaking news: Michael Saylor, obviously a massive Bitcoin advocate, thinks Bitcoin will hit $350,000 in 2024. Now, even when it's half that target price, do you understand what that's going to do for the crypto meme market? All the meme coins are going to pump like crazy, and Michael Saylor, a massive advocate, he obviously sees something. He's one of the biggest whales as well in Bitcoin right now. So if you see something, I imagine something crazy going to happen. And if we do see $350,000 Bitcoin, we definitely see Shiba Inu pump to some crazy all-time highs. And if that happens, we all make a handsome bag. We see on the 1 year alone, the all-time high hasn't even been that crazy when compared to its massive all-time high back around the time of its launch. And right now, where the price is currently standing on, if we were to go to this all-time high, it may as well have been you buying before it even pumped, which is absolutely insane. News headlines are getting very bullish for Shiba Inu as well. Will Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu surge 500% soon? Top exchanges predict Shiba Inu could rally up 7 million percent to $1. A $1 Shiba Inu, that could literally be life-changing money. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know your feel about Shiba Inu in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.